Wow. You're beautiful. You really are.
I would say I take thee to be my wedded wife, but our relationship was never founded on taking anything from you. Our relationship was and will always be based on gifts. The gift of your joy, the gift of our quiet conversation, the gift of our adventures.
You have taught me that home isn't a place, it's a person. And my favorite place in the world will always be laying with my head on your chest.
We have been given the gift of being together till death do us part. I promise to do my best, be honest and faithful to you. Hold your hand until the heavens strike me down and try my hardest to make sure you are happy and content.
I promise to do my best to make every day together better than the last.
Love you.
I love you, Erica. I cherish you. I pledge myself to you now and forever.
It is my greatest joy and privilege to declare you husband and wife. You make this the brother. It is my pleasure to present the first time Mr. and Mrs. Tyler and Erica Wicks.
Erica, if you know her at all, has just this big, incredible heart. And it makes me so happy to see her marry someone with a heart just as kind and full of love as hers. Tyler, you were so kind, and you had this wonderfully weird sense of humor that just, it fits so well with Erica. And even better was that Erica truly seemed to light up around you.
Always blown away with him. He's always been an inspiration for me. I've always been very proud of him. And I just think it's fantastic that he found somebody that he absolutely loves.
But when Tyler came into her life, she knew it was the right man. Watching them together, they're going to be happy.
They say when two families get married, they merge into one. And we are now here to support you, and we will love both of you for all time.
Maybe live long and prosper, and life will be good.
Erica, welcome to the family.
So as you both move into this next chapter together, always remember to love without fear, be willing to take risks, and always take care of each other.